In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Perplexity Labs feature. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to enhance your current projects, this guide will walk you through using this feature smoothly and efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Perplexity. Now, this might seem straightforward if you're already acquainted with the platform, but for newcomers, make sure you have your access details ready and navigate through to the main dashboard. You'll want to get comfortable with this area because it's essentially the hub of all your activity. Once you're on Perplexity, direct your gaze towards the mode selector. This is a crucial step because the mode selector allows you to switch between various modes or features offered by Perplexity. It's an intuitive interface, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time here. Next, choose the Labs mode. This is where the magic happens for your project development. The Labs feature offers a suite of tools specifically designed to help you experiment, explore, and expand your project ideas. Now, it's time to write your prompt for a project. This step is where you get to flex your creativity. Think critically about what you want to achieve with your project and articulate it clearly in a way that Perplexity can process and respond to. Take your time here. A well-crafted prompt can significantly influence the success of your workflow. Once you're satisfied with your prompt, hit Run or Start. This action triggers Perplexity to commence the project workflow. It's almost like launching your ideas into a space where they begin taking shape. You'll notice that Perplexity starts to process your input and kickstarts your project into action. It's important to remember that you have control throughout this process. You can pause or cancel the workflow at any time. Perhaps you need to reevaluate your strategy or make adjustments to your prompt. Whatever the reason, it's comforting to know you have the flexibility to stop or pause as needed. While your project is running, you may see the specific steps or tasks that Perplexity is undertaking. This transparency is fantastic for tracking progress and understanding how your prompt is being interpreted and executed. Finally, once your project is complete, you'll want to preserve your hard work. Use the Export button to save your project. This feature is handy for creating backups or sharing your finished product with collaborators or clients. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize the Perplexity Labs feature to bring your projects to life. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep experimenting and exploring all that Perplexity has to offer.